feed horses. Luckily I'm on my way to Pearl. It's a really, really strong wind right off the ocean, so ooh, it's gonna be a cold one. But anything and everything is better than work right now. So the sun is shining at least, and if I find a place out from the wind, then I will be happy for a little bit with Pearl. Men ena undrar när det står fel häst så, och så tänker man, va? Vad är pärlan? Ja. Och du var knät? Ja, och du var knät. It's insane! The wind is insane! There will be no riding today. No. We're gonna blow away if we try. Hey! Oj! Vill ni komma? Oj! Oj, det lilla kissimusen! You have very sharp claws. You see him? You see him? You do. Yes, we are going in from the storm. I promise, I promise, I promise. I promise. I promise, Prinsessan. We are going in. Here. Here. Let's get you out of this one. Oh dear. There, you can eat now. Yes, you can eat now. There is no other food. Dad, come on, Dad. Dad, där. Där. Nej men kom, ser du inte maten? Maten är här. Här. Där är maten. Där är maten. Så. Ser du den nu? Men det finns ingen annan mat. Det finns ingen annan mat. Oh God. What a day. Det är väl bra att du är en snäll kille. Vänta. Curly, I need to take the lead rope off. Don't disturb her. She's asleep. She's asleep. Come. Don't disturb her. She's asleep. No, don't disturb Nicole. Curly. Let her sleep. Oh, what a freaking day here at the stables as well. People are sick and no one knows who is responsible for feeding the horses and getting them in from the store. So well, I had to help. I think they have. Hey Stella. I think you're the last one. I think you're done. You're not done. The biggest boys in the stable needed food as well. Hi. This is Shire. He's big. The other one is a dead. Nej, vem är det som håller på så? Sluta. You know what? I don't think we should ride in this weather, in this storm. I don't think it's good. No, I don't think it's good. No. I don't think it's good. I don't think it's good at all. Hi. Sweetie pie. don't think I want to ride in this. I think I'm gonna give up. What an absolute shit day. Chaos at work and chaos at the stables, and the storm is insane. So I'm just gonna go home and do laundry. Shoo! What an absolute nice substitute for riding. Doing laundry. Yay!